Hi, how you doing? Today we're going to do a science experiment. You ever look up in the sky and you see those big planes going by and you say, how do they do that? How do they get off the ground? So much to do. So today I'm going to show a small experiment on how a plane moves. Or a rocket for that matter. We're actually going to do a rocket experiment. But it works for planes and rockets and anything else you use. What we're going to need though is we're going to need to go over here and we're going to need some pins. We're going to need a balloon, a straw. I have a fancy straw. Some tape and some string. As much as you need. I'm using fishing line. It's very, very strong. So what we did already was we set up a piece of line and we put the straw inside it. And I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay? We got a balloon. And we blow up the balloon. All right? Pretty easy, huh? What happens to a balloon when you let it go? What's it do? Oh! Flies away. The reason it flies away is because the air is being forced out of it. When the air molecules come out of the balloon, it hits the outside air and it makes it go. But when we do a rocket ship or an airplane, does it fly willy-nilly around? Does it go? Does it just go? Ow. I think it hit something. Wait 1 minute. No. It goes straight. You can turn it. And you can move it in different directions. Well, it needs something to guide it. On planes, you have wings. You have tails. On rocket ships, you have fins on the side that control the movement. Today we're going to use a straw to control the movement. And it's real easy. You get your balloon. You fill it up. You make sure you have some tape. I'm using masking tape, but any tape will do. Okay? And the same goes for the straw. I'm using a paper straw. That's just because paper straws disintegrate and they're safe for the environment. You can use whatever you have on hand. Okay? Now I'm going to hold this because I don't want to let it go. And I'm going to tape the balloon to the straw. Now I tested this and it worked the first time I did it. But since this is science, sometimes things don't go the way you plan, right? Should I put a little more air in there? Say yes. Okay. So now, as I said before, when I let go, the air that's all compressed inside here is going to force its way out, and it's going to hit the air outside of it, and that'll make it move. So are we ready to see this happen? 1, 2, 3. Did you see that? All the way to the end. And it followed a straight flight. It didn't dilly-dally and flip all over. And that's how rocket science is. I have to take this apart now, which is really silly. There we go. So as long as it has something to control its flight, whether it's wings, tails, fins, it'll take off using just a balloon. Now on a plane we don't use a balloon, right? We use rocket fuel, jet fuel, and that creates the kind of force needed to make a plane go down the runway and lift off, or to make a rocket ship go up to the moon. Okay, I hope this was very helpful for you. All right, you have a nice day. Bye.